Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Pro. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your reposts on TikTok and explain what options are currently available. If you've reposted videos on TikTok and don't want certain people to see them, there is an important privacy setting you should know about. So, let's open TikTok and get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. If you visit someone's profile, you may notice a repost section where their reposted videos can appear. Now, let's check the options available on your own account. Tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Here, you may see your reposted videos under the Repost section. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Now, tap Privacy. TikTok doesn't currently provide a separate setting that lets you completely hide your reposts while keeping your account public. However, you can make your entire TikTok account private. To do this, go back to the privacy settings and turn on Private Account. With a private account, only people you approve as followers can access the content and information available to your private profile. So, if there's someone you don't want to see your reposts, make sure they aren't an approved follower. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't currently offer a separate option to make only your reposts private while keeping the rest of your account public. And that's it. Now you know what privacy options are available for hiding reposts on TikTok. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Guide Pro, and leave a comment if you have any questions.